Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through a very useful and practical process. How to convert any image into a PDF file using an Android phone. This is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who needs to send scanned documents, ID cards, receipts, or photos in a secure and easy-to-read format. Step 1. Check volume settings on your PC. First, let's start with the basics. Click the speaker icon on the taskbar, usually located in the bottom right corner. Make sure the volume is turned up and not muted. Right-click the speaker icon and select Open Volume Mixer. In the mixer, ensure that both system sounds and your browser, like Chrome or Edge, are not muted or too low. Step 2. Check YouTube tab and player volume. Now open YouTube in your browser. Make sure the video itself isn't muted. Check for the speaker icon on the video player. Also, if you're using multiple tabs, make sure the right one is active and no tab has been individually muted by the browser. You can also right-click the tab and make sure it doesn't show Unmute Site. If it does, click it. Step 3. Disconnect and reconnect audio devices. If you're using headphones, Bluetooth speakers, or external audio devices, try unplugging and plugging them back in, or disconnect and reconnect them via Bluetooth. Then, go to Settings, tap on System, then click Sound, and ensure your preferred output device is selected under Output. Sometimes, Windows switches the output device without you noticing. Step 4. Restart your audio services. To restart Windows audio services, press Windows +R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Audio. Right-click it and select Restart. Do the same for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click it and select Restart. This can fix system-level audio issues. Step 5. Restart your computer. Yes, it sounds simple, but restarting your computer can resolve temporary glitches with audio and browser settings. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to restore sound on YouTube in Windows 11, whether the issue is browser-related device settings or driver-based. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have another issue you want us to cover? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!